Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this episode we will be learning how to contact support on PAC-MAN 256. If you want to contact support for PAC-MAN 256, then the process is quite easy, so follow along till the end. First of all, launch open the PAC-MAN 256 application on your device. Once you're inside the home page of PAC-MAN 256, go ahead and tap on the arrow button at the bottom right corner to open up this expanded menu, where you need to click on the gear button. Now, click on the credits button on the next page and you will see a little envelope icon at the top right corner. Tap on that. You will see your support email that you can use for PAC-MAN 256. Click on the mail icon and then select the email option from the menu. This will now take you to your email and you can now go ahead and describe your issue in the text box. You can write a clear description of the issue, what you did, what you expected, and what happened. You can also attach any relevant screenshot or error messages. And finally, after you are done with your message, you can send it to the support for PAC-MAN 256. So that's how you easily contact the PAC-MAN 256 support. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.